Hey there, this is Nature Man Extraordinaire, and you're here for the nature experience. Come over here. We've got koala droppings from a rare breed, northwestern eastern koala. It's dropping. It's headed east. Come on. If you look here, an extremely rare Asian buffalo butterfly, following its tracks now. It's their mating season right now. They often have little babies right here. I'm just trying to track this thing down. Oh, I didn't even notice you there. Hey, it's not Stevenson Nature Man Extraordinaire. That butterfly escaped us this time. Don't you worry, we'll find one. We'll find a good one. When we do, it's going down. Let's move on. Quick, quick! See it? It's a rare water skeeter, commonly found in Asia, but someone must have transported it here. Come here, water skeeter. I'm getting this on tape. This is truly amazing. Let's try and guide it towards us. Oh, these rocks are heavy. I think I may have killed it. They're very fragile. This is a very rare plant. Not even grown around here, but the tetramatic shifting of the tetraplates must have caused some kind of conglomeration which sequenced a new life for this kind of plant. This is the Hyperpurleus corpi malinformi in Latin terms, otherwise known as the northeastern sunflower plant. It's got a very special characteristic if you look at it. Whenever you peel the plant, it's got a very soft texture to it also. I don't know if you can feel it, but if you pull that back, see the stem, how it just, when you rip it in half, it's got a very rare sort of juice in here. People in Africa actually use it to season their buffalo. That's magnificent. Look right here. North southern centipede. This is very rare. And now it's dead. Moving on. Here we've got a common garden clown, often found in people's gardens. Let me show you a little trick with these things. It's just magnificent. So cute. Did you get that? Did you get that? See that black bird? That's the southern hellcrow. You can tell by its very black, oblique color, which is just Why they call it the Hell Crow, sort of the things you'd see in a Hell movie. Moving on. Do you see these stairs? I didn't even notice this. These were carved out by the Polynesians. Probably, let me check here. Yes, about 1.8 million years ago. This is just dirt, and they haven't gone away yet, because they packed it so good with their slaves. It's also fascinating about the Polynesians, their slaves, they were all midgets. They were very strong men. So anyway, let's see how good these work. Magnificent. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night